So I found this company online called Devyn PC, who make 3D printed back plates and front top cases for PS5, and I was really impressed with the video that they did showing the back plate. And one of the main advantages I saw was the additional air intakes added to the plate, and also the extra cutout for the fan. So hopefully this will keep the PlayStation a bit more ventilated and just a bit cooler, especially the PS5 Pro. So this is, I would assume, the bottom plate, as it's got the slot for the disk drive. As you can see, it's got the cutout for the fan as well. And yeah, it's all 3D printed. You can see the kind of telltale signs of 3D printing. You've got the kind of layered looking construction, but overall it feels solid. It's definitely a bit weightier than the original. And this is the top case. So as you can see, nothing amazing. I mean, you can see a little bit of imperfection there, but that's fine. It's on the inside and it's 3D printed after all. So yeah, just admiring the quality of the workmanship that's gone into it, and it feels solid. So I opted for the grey. It reminded me of the old PlayStation 1 or PS1 or PSX. So great thing about PS5 is that these top mounts should be easy enough to replace and to remove. It says, so I can give it a trouble with it. Alright, that's another one. Thankfully, PS5 is not too dusty, which is good. Another reason I opted for these plates as well, it removes the need to use these little clips to balance the PS5 Pro, which are not too bad, but they're a bit wobbly sometimes. Let's take those out. I always feel like they sound like they're breaking when I take them off, but luckily they built quite well. This one might be a bit tricky because of the disk drive. Interesting. Did not want to come off with the disk drive attached. Okay, that's off. Let's just reinsert the disk drive. I guess for any of you who haven't seen a PS5 Pro disk drive before, it's modular, so it just sort of fits in. It says. Yeah, that's in. Right, so it might give us a bit more balance. I guess this is one of the issues when you have something custom made. There is a little bit of fettling around to get everything aligned. I think that might have done it. Let's have a look. Okay. Seems good. Back ones are in. Might be good. Let's have a look at the back. Everything seems to be lined up quite nicely. A little bit of wobble, but I think that's perfectly acceptable considering what the product is. Front. Again, not bad at all. So yeah, you can notice straight away it's definitely taken away the sleek lines of the PS5, but actually it makes it easier to place flat in a media cabinet or on a desk. You could definitely get away with putting it horizontally as well, or vertically, I should say. Okay. Nice. Well, there you go. Bit fiddly to put on, but I'm hoping with the extra vents and gaps there should be better airflow overall. Time will tell.